In this video I'm going to show you how to back up your server. In this case it's a Server 2016 edition. You click on your start button and type in backup or Windows Server Backup and you'll be able to open up the program. Once you're in the program you can create or modify an existing backup. In my case I'm modifying one because you can see the results here from my last backup. You can right click on the existing backup icon on the left side of the menu, or go up to the action menu item and choose from there to mod or create or restore even from a backup. The first options in here are to modify or create the backup, or you can stop a backup. In my case I don't have the option to create because it can only modify the existing. Then you have the full server backup, which is recommended, and that will give you a system state which is perfect in case the entire computer crashes on you. Next is to choose your time, and that's something you can have it once a day, which is ideal. Choose the time of day, or you can have it back up multiple times a day. Next is the destination, where the first option is recommended to back up to a hard drive that is dedicated for the backups. Otherwise it's a shared backup volume or a shared network folder. It's best to choose the first option.
Joey doesn't share food!
Also, on the next screen here you have to keep the current backup destinations because I'm modifying it, or if you're going in to add additional drives you can go to add another backup drive or remove one that's died and you had to replace it. On the confirmation screen you'll be able to see the list of all the drives that you have, and you can see that the ones that are not plugged in currently are marked offline, and the one that I do have online is showing the size of it and the available space. It also shows the backup items, which you can see at the bottom include bare metal recovery and the system state, which is extremely important in case your server completely crashes on you. Then you can do a full restore because there is no recovery options like there are in a workstation type computer. Once you finish it, it'll run through and save the changes for you. And that's it for your backup. It will run at your scheduled time, and highly suggest that you get in the habit of checking your backups every single day. Go in the morning or ask one of your staff members to be dedicated to check the backups each morning and switch the drives. And ideally you should have one drive for each day of the week, and you can label them Monday through Friday and make sure that they rotate them. So every Monday of the week it's going to have the Monday drive plugged in to run the backups on Monday evening, and so on for each day of the week. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can purchase these drives. If you have any questions or like to share your ideas on how you back up, please comment below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.